So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel C2C. This is episode 1 of our VS Code Mastery series. Today I will show you how to download and install your VS Code step by step. If you are a beginner and just want to master your VS Code, this series is for you. Let's get started. What is Visual Studio Code? Short form VS Code. Introduction. Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is used by developers to write, edit and debug code in many programming languages like JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, C++ and more. Key features are smart code completion, syntax highlighting, built-in terminal, debugging tools, extension support, my favorite one, Git integration. Key facts are VS Code works on operating systems Windows, Mac OS and Linux, making it a popular choice for developers worldwide. About 75% of users use VS Code, making it the most popular code editor in the world. So ready for installation? Firstly, open your Google Chrome. Search there VS Code download. The first link you will get, click on it. You will get onto this page. So I have tell you in introduction that VS Code supports on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So currently I am using Windows, so I will download for Windows. So for the video's preparation, I have downloaded the VS Code installer. Take your time, pause the video and install it. So have you installed it? So get with me these steps. This is my installer. Run the installer. Accept the agreement. Next. So it is asking that where we download your VS Code. Tell it's your favorite place. My favorite place that I download my softwares in C. So your favorite place, choose it. Click on browse and choose it. Where is your favorite place to download your software? Do it next. And this is saying that we will make a shortcut key on your taskbar. This is your taskbar. So next it. So I will tell you, if you want that your VS Code shortcut, your VS Code make shortcut and comes on your desktop, I will like it, so I will take it. And these board settings are complimentary. I will tell you after when we were learning VS Code. I will tell you why it's complimentary. So for now, take it. Do it next. Install. It's now preparing to install. It will take I think 2 minutes. Successfully our VS Code is downloaded. So if you want that your VS Code launch, take it, or if you don't want your VS Code launch, so untick it. So I will like its launch. Finish. Let's see this. I use VS Code for making my websites, my websites. So this is UI of our VS Code. See this, how it's looking, the extension tab, debug and all of this. So if you like my VS Code Mastery course episode 1, subscribe it, like it and share it. And please support my channel, subscribe it, share with your friends that they can master VS Code. I will see you in next mastery episode. See you later.